Discover Xtreme Lashes Total Eye Repair Serum, a clinically proven treatment that visibly minimizes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, sagging skin, and puffiness on the delicate skin on both the under eyes and eyelids. This revolutionary formula utilizes a hyaluronic sponge delivery system to deliver anti-aging active ingredients through a sustained release system while providing skin with continuous hydration. Strengthen skin with an advanced multi-peptide complex that promotes collagen and elastin production to visibly reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Restore firmness and elasticity with the Micro Lift Complex that dramatically lifts and firms the eye area while redensifying and restructuring from within. In an independent study, 86% of participants experienced significant improvement in skin firmness after just 6 hours. 92% saw dramatic improvement after 8 weeks. Let aging eyes be a concern of the past and experience the first ever eyelash extension compatible anti-aging treatment with a completely new outlook. Total Eye Repair Serum, only from Xtreme Lashes by Joe Muselli.